All right. Hi, good evening. My name is Pradeep Diwan. I'm the Vice President Operation for Indus Palms Hotel Resorts, which owns Ella Hotel. Well, this hotel is owned by India's one of the largest construction company known as IVRCL, IVR Prime, HDO, and in UK we have recently acquired a multi-million-dollar steel company called Mark Davidson. So the owners are Mr. Sunil Reddy and Mr. Sudhir Reddy. They are also the chairman and vice chairman of the IVRCL group. Well, this Ella Hotel has come into establishment in the year 2007 October with 117 all-suite hotel room, and this hotel the speciality of the room is all the rooms are the sizes are the largest in the city. We have 4 categories of rooms: superior, executive club, and Ella suite, which is ranging from 2-bedroom suite to 1-bedroom suite with dining hall and kitchen, and a single room club suite as well. Now, F&B is concerned, we have got 5 F&B outlet, out of which 4 are restaurants and 1 is a bar. We have Alchemy, which serves global cuisine restaurant, which specializes in Spanish, Mediterranean, basically Mediterranean cuisine. Then comes Kebab Pavilion, which serves northwestern frontier cuisine, specializes in kebabs, different types of Indian breads. We have Indus, which is a 24/7 multi-cuisine restaurant serving a la carte as well as buffet dinner, lunch. Then we have Italia, which is specializes in Italian cuisine. We have a leather bar called Rocks Bar, which serves imported and domestic alcohol and liquors and wines, best of wines. We have the best of spa in our hotel, which is considered to be India's best spa as per asiaspa.com magazine. We have 11 treatment room, and we specializing in European therapies. We have already started with the Indian therapies like Shariharidhara, and we have still planned to expand in terms of standalone spa in different locations of Hyderabad. As for now, this is the plan in pipeline. It will still take around 2 years more to materialize the other development of the hotel group, which includes opening of hotel in Pune, Noida, Delhi, Mumbai, Khandala, and a couple of more other places, including Bangalore. See, we have Indus, which has a capacity of 104 sitting covers. Then Italia, which is a very fine dining restaurant, which has a seating capacity of 20 covers, and is only by reservation. The customer, 80% of our hotel guests are expats, so they really love the food, and we make sure their taste buds are taken care of. Rooms, anyway, we have the biggest rooms in the city compared to the other hotels in the competition and in the city as well. The rooms are very spacious. Guests loves it. The ambience, the outside, the inside ambience. The overall experience is quite fantastic. We have a couple of good comments on the internet, tripadvisor.com. Plus, we do keep getting comments on our emails. Yeah, we have got tie-up with more than 3,000 companies where we have floated the best of rate depending upon the volume of business they give us. No, we have this company, as I said, is one of the largest construction company. We own more than 30,000 acres land all over India. We have 16 acres of land right in Madhapur, opposite to Lemon Tree Hotel. We already have a sanctioned plan of 25-storied 200 plus room hotel there, but since the market is not that very impressive, so we'll take some more time to go ahead with the plans.